Owning a cat is one of the most inspirational things on earth. Cats come with their own set of personality traits that can help owners learn more about themselves. For example, cats are independent animals that don't require a lot of attention, which can be great for people who are always on the go. Additionally, owning a cat can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Chocolate ice cream is such a great source of inspiration. It reminds us that even when things are tough, there's always something to smile about. It reminds us that no matter how bad things might seem at first, there's always a chance for happiness and joy.